Welcome to Sigma Equipment. Today's cycle test includes an American Process Systems FXM4 dual paddle blender. This machine is running on a 480 volt system, 3-phase with 80 psi on the air supply. This type of blender is a U-shaped trough with a horizontal agitator inside. These machines use paddles on a shaft to agitate and mix product, such as dry powders or liquids into a dry mixture. Paddle blenders are one of the slowest types of mixers, working slowly to create a consistent product. The motor located on the back side of the unit is 7.5 horsepower and is driving dual mixing shafts. The control panel on the side of the machine allows an operator to start and stop the forward and reverse rotation of the blender paddles. It also includes an e-stop button, as well as controls for opening the discharge at the bottom of the machine. The bottom discharge height is 36 inches. The discharge uses 2 pneumatically controlled bomb bay doors. This unit also includes a full lid to cover the mixing chamber to help reduce contamination. The non-jacketed mixing chamber has a capacity of 12 cubic feet or 90 gallons. To learn more about this blender and other equipment, please visit us at sigmaequipment.com.